Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up SSH. We'll cover the basics of Secure Shell, a powerful tool for remote access. Understanding SSH is crucial for anyone managing servers or working with remote systems, ensuring your connections are always private and protected. We'll walk through the essential steps to get you connected securely and efficiently, making remote administration much simpler. The first step is generating your SSH key pair. This involves creating a public key and a private key. Your private key remains on your local machine and should be protected with a robust passphrase, acting like a secure password. The public key is then copied to the remote server you wish to access, allowing it to verify your identity without needing a traditional password. Once your keys are generated, you need to configure access. This means placing your public key into the authorized keys file on the remote server, typically found in the SSH directory of your user's home folder. The SSH copy ID utility simplifies this process significantly. After installation, you can test your connection by simply typing SSH followed by your username and the remote host's address. For advanced security, consider disabling password authentication on your server entirely, relying solely on SSH keys. You can also create an SSH client configuration file to manage multiple connections and custom settings, like specific ports or usernames. This streamlines your workflow and enhances security. And speaking of lasting quality, check the description for a link to Darn Tough Socks and other great deals. Remember, strong security practices are key to a safe, remote environment.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.